Have you ever walked into a room and felt like all eyes were on you, but not in a good way? First impressions matter, and often it's not your words but your body language doing all the talking. Today, we'll explore how to use body language to command attention and leave a lasting impression. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could transform your presence and impact. Let's get started. Why does body language matter so much? Research shows that first impressions are formed within seconds, and they're often based on nonverbal cues. Your body language communicates confidence, assertiveness, and authority even when you're silent. Mastering it can help you build rapport, influence others, and amplify your overall impact. Think about it. The way you walk into a room, how you sit during a meeting, or even the way you hold your hands while speaking. All of these subtle details send a message. Are you in control? Are you approachable? People read these signals more than you might think. First, let's talk about being open and approachable. Start with a relaxed posture, shoulders back, head held high. This not only makes you look confident but also approachable. When your body looks open, you invite others to engage with you. Eye contact is key. It signals engagement and builds a connection with your listener. But remember, balance is crucial. Too much eye contact can feel intense, while too little might seem disinterested. Aim for intervals of 3 to 5 seconds of sustained eye contact before briefly looking away. This creates a rhythm that feels natural and friendly. When you talk, use open hand gestures. It makes you appear more genuine and engaged. Avoid crossing your arms or hiding your hands, as these can come across as defensive or uninterested. And here's a pro tip. When you smile, let it reach your eyes. A genuine smile can light up a room and instantly make you more approachable. Let's take it a step further and talk about micro-expressions. These are fleeting facial expressions that can reveal your true emotions, often without you realizing it. They're like tiny windows into what someone is really feeling. For instance, a quick eyebrow raise might indicate surprise, while a momentary tightening of the lips can suggest discomfort or annoyance. Why do micro-expressions matter? Being aware of your own can help you maintain control over the emotions you project. If you're nervous during a presentation, for example, your face might briefly show fear or uncertainty. By practicing mindfulness and rehearsal, you can train yourself to manage these involuntary cues. Interpreting micro-expressions is also a superpower. Spotting these cues in others can give you valuable insights into their emotions, allowing you to respond more effectively. Imagine being able to sense someone's hesitation before they even voice it. You can adjust your approach and build trust more quickly. Next up, power posing. When you take up space with expansive postures, like standing with your feet shoulder-width apart or placing your hands on your hips, you project confidence and authority. These positions signal dominance and readiness, which can be especially useful before high-stakes situations like interviews or presentations. The classic Wonder Woman pose is a great example. Stand tall with your hands on your hips and chest slightly puffed out. Research even shows that holding a power pose for just 2 minutes can boost your confidence and reduce stress by altering your hormone levels, raising testosterone and lowering cortisol. Here's another tip: mirroring. Subtly reflecting someone's posture or gestures can build trust and rapport without them even realizing it. Be careful to keep it subtle. You don't want to seem like you're mocking them. Mirroring shows alignment and empathy, which are crucial in establishing meaningful connections. Body language pairs perfectly with effective communication. When your non-verbal cues align with your words, your message becomes much stronger. Start by speaking clearly and concisely to avoid ambiguity. If your words are clear but your body language is hesitant, your audience will pick up on that inconsistency. Pay attention to your pace and volume. Speaking too fast can make you seem anxious, while speaking too slowly might lose your audience's attention. Find a moderate rhythm and adjust your volume based on the setting. In a one-on-one conversation, a quieter tone might feel more intimate, while in a group you may need to project more. No matter the situation, stay calm and composed. Your demeanor sets the tone for how others perceive you. If you're calm under pressure, it not only helps you think more clearly but also reassures those around you. Eye contact deserves its own spotlight because of how impactful it is. Beyond just looking engaged, it helps establish trust and shows confidence. However, effective eye contact is a skill. It's about striking a balance. Think about cultural differences too. In some cultures, prolonged eye contact might feel confrontational, while in others, it's a sign of respect. In general, aim to maintain a soft yet focused gaze. This creates an air of approachability without being intimidating. If you're addressing a group, make an effort to distribute your gaze so everyone feels included. Remember, body language is a powerful tool for building relationships and influencing outcomes. Practice these tips in everyday interactions to leave a lasting impression. Want more insights like these? Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, drop a comment below with your favorite body language tip or a question you'd like us to cover next. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Body language isn't just about looking confident. It's about creating meaningful connections, expressing your emotions effectively, and enhancing your overall communication. From mastering micro-expressions to power posing, every tip we've shared today can help you become a more effective communicator. Thanks for watching. And remember, great communication starts with how you carry yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our other video on the topic, 15 sophisticated words to instantly sound classy. See you in the next video.